Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break and best TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko son show mo. No anybody debia. Madam, I say love you.
For any other phone, Mema Obibia Aquaba a day about too much GHSO. Gana Wahala Jimmy and a bread as a Samuson for money about a case capa and so midday ever so much said it and Diana. Almost soon is a program way, you didn't a show as so now and that day gospel musician and the day Philippa a befi waba one thing Edin Sebi Ababetu Eda Edia Manko Fukobia and I say Nipekobia one more person one can be man said the beya ye be appointing for some leadership be and on our dear to just one no dear 1 year ready a year now Uma will be also and can be man saying the media the shannon so bet me and you say my young by appointing the be one pay name de man penny his excellency and another down qua a kufu adu nipa bia one only free nipemu no be na din say will be no na what dinner edgina said gina brena na say the brain one no edie one more the woman cheat or better one more and I said or one more etchy a drama one jumedia a division one more etime by pass or no a be appointed so no mum and the engineer said gina brain and I said the brain edie was slow mara said one more any no and fire influence and then some no the two a for say and a quell say don't lobby for me as a deputy minister. We any someone would day to a jar a brother say, yeah, and Kofuko said the big can and pennyphobia, a siege, and yes, a one more person can appointing, said deputy minister for creative arts. Ministry no and non just one no deal workers 1 year ready into Mobia and can and far and man and some can you know so a year Castle Drive at a yemia bema a year a man sign cratchy and a nat or no education common with this and some no to a year you say no please I don't want you to lobby for me to be appointed as deputy minister in the tourism culture and creative arts ministry. Whatever President Akufo-Addo says, he knows best. He knows best. So should President come out with names of those he wants to work with in government, we will all support those people wholeheartedly. We any a year in some wording to a year a job which you say yeah the brea damn pine and answer or mopo will be edinagina with deputy minister edema creative arts ministry no which you manager say 1 year and I just open so when you deputy minister for tourism culture and creative arts ministry no na say one more will be and answer one more won't go for copium person woman you woman mampenny or no one so we make a decision when you the all make it and decision is soon nimdiemu any nyansemu and a di a and so you will be as in the panel this one no de do best me so better by pass or no edin who el and I say, well, all Cassiani will be kind of once and pass the bear, be fan Eddie, and would be one pebby, a one a bravo, near Becca is so. Mammy, that was a year 2008. Name you go high, a year MPP, a man your cool, which I said, one more Eddie, a sapan, a campaign to, one more Eddie, a pa, no, and I wouldn't say we ever to Janudona, ever say, a didn't see, and I'm my mammy, Edisa, and some way to a giant. Ntuni eba Philippa Befi wodesa ensem we to eye edwa dodo na ente eye ehu ase e wone nsem no ehu na no na binum susu se the bread ye yemfoso obi emfa emana na ye chichiro obi emfa enso so onim ehu nimde ene akade a obetimi ede aye na wode kokoshe ne nsa no na wo behu na afi no ma no wototo papa so ne wosenka eya edi emfasodie eba na edi kamu na eba enti de yimi aba no anase ye maame kan no empanyfo ngn tum na omone no enko aye adwen ekromu na womo ente na se paninye ni position die ye nhye obi emfa ema nipa ne epemu no ene wotu nsa de frɛ no na wɔkase wo beye die no die na je se wo no an wo give in say wo ye by say wo be share say oh minim so betimi aye minim so betimi aye fe wa o de share say bi na wantimi anya na wo kan ho asempa wo gidi say minim so betimi aye afi wo feel disappointed say ade na wagu wani mu ase ni say ba na wo nim nipa no ye ni weak point and say nyoma wantimi enye nti dudo na susu sem ye nti ye ma me ye Philippa Befi nense modi etu dwa na emu bia nkonkofa penindie ni tumidie bia emfa enhye no kom se wonkonkodi eye eso na ebusiafo wo hwa ye ma me Philippa Befi nense modi etu eye edwe ya den na wo so obetimi aka ede afam fa dwentwa wo fa ensemi ho ebra ewutuma GH comment section like a videos na share all the social media platform eso obetimi so follow yen ewe IG page ni Twitter page so atuma GH _ Facebook tuma GH na me di ese ni makobi ene so yasema edi edwumedie ebebe so Mama Juliet Ventures eba no oba kitchen wo dem sese ye ma me owo akade ni nyina de hia NSF ubetutu anamo abana so ye ewo abekala pass anansa ubefa ni telephone number ewo screen no eso na one no atwetwe eye enkomo na delivery ubetimi eye ede ama this roof is so aba ma ye wo mo musi edan ye dum pepe so se wo mo ebebo so open chance papa ede abo dan eso chance ye ti apo na chete na husu ensesa mfi mienu minsa echidi a this roof is so wo mo ewo no be this adwuma no ede ama loan master eso se brana kache we aban adwuma ye ni enko ade anasa usika efa controller or affordability in Kwandia. One interest rate no ewo for me no woman medical subu na won so sika ohwehwe no wet me enya de akwa you project aha NMD dwumadie no AC midi e de ekwesi kapa makram.
The major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nye ne bone pa ne kase epe wo wi ase ya asonde nti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe ne subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne yama papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura